Match number 12 it is. What a lovely drive first up. Wow, that is a fine shot from Benkenstein.
Quality. Over pitch, but you still got to put it away. Look at that. Just the check drive. Straight through the gap. Starts off with a boundary.
Under lights. Just a little bit of curve, but it's over pitched again. Driven through the covers. The outfield's on the far side. The chase is on to no avail. Back-to-back boundaries. That's a wonderful start for Benkenstein.
Well, over pitch first ball, you can understand that maybe it's a loosener, but you can't do this 2 balls in a row. Not to a player like Benkenstein anyway.
Sparring at that, pretty good pace as well. On his toes, slight misfield. There was a scamper through for 1. Got to keep it nice and tight in that inner ring. Cannot allow any unforced errors to get through. It's hard enough being a bowler. You've got to get the support of your teammates in that inner circle.
Now that last bounce before it got to the fielder looked like the ball just kept a bit low and skidded, and that's why.
Well, it's a very good delivery too.
Particularly to Benkenstein, who sometimes doesn't quite get his foot going towards the ball outside off stump.
He's hit that up in the air. Given a chance early, perhaps? No, just over the top. Bit of extra bounce from the tall man. Benkenstein perhaps a little bit impetuous. Oh, that's impetuous too. I'm not sure that's the most sensible batting I've seen. Benkenstein looking to go over the top, I think, in the offside, but the big fella has struck.
Early wicket for the Royals, and this is unnecessary. We've had a good start. 12 on the board, halfway through the second over. Hit a couple of really sweet boundaries himself. No need to be as adventurous as that at this stage of the innings. Benkenstein goes for 10. Gwadar Sharks, 12 for 1. And that's the wicket. He's actually given himself room going outside the leg stump. That's why the ball's just hit the toe end of the bat.
Posed to in the air. Bowled him, I think. No, LBW. Right in front. Kept a little bit low, perhaps. The Sharks have lost another one.
Well, they know how important this wicket is. It's the captain, Shamal Hussain. It's going across the stumps. Oh, that's hitting plumb in front. Yeah, that's crashing into the leg stump. Sajjad celebrates. He knows how important that wicket is. It's the second one down. The captain, Shamal Hussain, goes for 1. Gwadar Sharks, 12 for 2 now. Oh, okay, you might say it's kept a little bit low. Fair enough, but really a ball that's that straight should be looking to play a little bit straighter.
Yeah, there's no excuse for getting that far across. That's the problem. And that goes past the outside edge. There's an appeal from the bowler only. Not out, screams the umpire. And a nice little short ball just for good luck in the middle of the ferocity out there from... Looked to go over the top, and he's hit it pretty well. Has he hit far enough? Just. They come back for 2.
Get concerned when I see this approach. You've lost your 2 openers, including the captain, who's been scoring heavily. And you come down the wicket and you try and go over the top.
Slip in position as well. Wide slip, about a second, maybe even a third. That's good connection. That's beautifully played. That's how you got to go about it.
He's got good pace onto the bat. It's Mohammad Zishan. The ball will go away nicely. That's well played. He's got himself right on top of the ball. Gets onto his tippy toes. And just caresses it through the offside.
Oh, that's through. Threaded the needle for 4. That's a fine stroke all on the carpet.
Now with the extra pace from Zishan, if he gets his lines and his lengths wrong, there's lots of momentum for the batsman to work with. That's over pitch, but well played. Just opened the face at that last moment to thread it through the two fielders, who are quite close together actually. And the covers there, that's well played.
Outside leg stump. Oh, that might be another one. Cries of catch. This should be taken. Simple catch. Yep, that's another one. They've won the toss. The Royals, they've elected to bowl first, and they are making mincemeat out of the Sharks at the moment.
Yeah, no surprises that it's Mohammad Zishan again. He's the most successful of the seam bowlers in the competition so far. That is a poor shot. Not short enough to be playing the pull. Simple catch for Shawaz. Without the gloves on today, it's the celebration that we've seen quite a fair bit of now in the Pakistan Junior League. Mohammad Zulkifal goes for 6. Gwadar Sharks in trouble, 24 for 3.
Overstepping. Yeah, nothing behind. Over the top. That's going to scoot away for a boundary.
Just a release of the arms from Daniel Ibrahim. He's shown us that he can play. We're yet to see an innings of substance from the young man. Will today be the day? His team certainly need it from him.
Slightly short, picked up nicely. There is protection. Oh, it's a nice drive. Very nice drive indeed. Over pitch and slap through the covers for 4.
On the surfaces that we're playing on, this will be put away with ease. Nicely played. Neither of two closest fielders there even had an opportunity to think about stopping that.
So Razak, son of Abdul Razak.
The concentration levels only on power plays and the death overs is just taking away all the action from the 7 and 15. We'll come back to that. Power play done 37 for 3.